Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got something really strange to share with you. Obviously you've seen the title. I was sent a little parcel from Birchbox completely out of the blue a few days ago. And I'm just wondering if any of you lot have received one too. I have never collaborated with Birchbox. I've never received any PR from them, anything like that. I've been a long-standing subscriber for many years until they decided to call it quits last year. I believe it is around this time last year. It could be like September, October time. I've had a look on their website to find out more information about where this has come from and, you know, what's it all about. I'll tell you what's inside, which is even more puzzling, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. On their website, nothing has changed. I click on my account, it's very minimal. It's got my previous boxes up until I believe September last year, and that is it. It doesn't have anything about my payments going out or anything like that. Plus, on the front of the website, it does have an update, and it mentions about that the shop will reopen in a couple of days, and the June subscription boxes will be sent out over the next couple of weeks. That was a couple of months ago. We haven't had any info from them through their email. On their Instagram page, they haven't updated their Instagram page since October 2022, last year. What is going on? What is going on? I haven't heard back from Birchbox yet, but as soon as I do, I will let you know. I'll put it in the pin post here, what's going on. Payment hasn't been taken out, not as far as I'm aware. I've checked my bank and I've checked my PayPal for the whole of August and no payments have been taken out. So it's completely baffling, isn't it? Completely baffling. If any of you lot have been a subscriber before they decided to shut the subscription down last year and you've received what I have, I would love to know, especially if you know more information. So going back to this then, I thought, ooh, this is familiar. I unboxed a Birchbox October 2020 beauty box. And this is what I had. I had this bag. I had to go through all my Birchbox videos to find out when I received it. I received it 3 years ago, but the contents are different. The contents don't ring a bell, which I'll go through it in a minute. But the leaflet is completely... In your next shop order, there's a £10 off coupon, there's a £10 off code. But little writing down the bottom here, offer is valid from the 1st of October 2022 to the 1st of November 2022. This is the October 22 beauty box. Obviously I've got it in a bag, which they sometimes do. They had like special edition boxes, bags and things. So they've given me an October 2022 subscription. It's definitely last October's because the products match what I've got in the bag. So this subscription is what I should have got in October. Now I can't remember if I actually paid and I never received it because it shut down quite abruptly from what I remember. But yeah, as far as payment is concerned, maybe I had paid but didn't receive anything and was just waiting and then I forgot about it. And then they decided to send me this, 10 months later? Obviously, if they're taking money and they haven't given me anything, then I'm grateful that they sent this to me. But there's no context, there's no information, and that is doing my head in. I want to know. So let's show you what's inside then. Or if any of you did receive the October 2022 beauty bag and the same products what I have, then yeah, I'd love to know as well. I wonder why I didn't get it. But anyway, We Are Paradox. I love this. Really happy with this. It's a repair 3-in-1 conditioner hair mask. It's a finishing cream as well. And there's 50 mils here. This is really lovely, and I'm going to be taking this on holiday with me. I'm going away for a couple of nights in a few weeks' time, and I adore this. Really like that. And we've got a vitamin C cleanser, which I've got currently in the bathroom. I used it this morning to clean my face. This is by Rodial. How much you got? Yeah, we got 20 mils. And yeah, it's a nice refreshing cleanser. I do really like this as well. So it's got information here. Gently massage. Nah, it just tells you how to use it. You know how to wash your face. It's a brightening cleanser. Then Bibi, this is a C-Caf cream. A vitamin C and caffeine day cream. And this is to brighten. And there's 60 mils here. From Kakadu Plum, and absorbic glycoside helps brighten and improve skin tone and texture, helps energize, oh that's vitamin C, sorry, caffeine helps energize and awaken tired skin, sustainably sourced from green tea and coffea plants, and orange blossom floral water, refreshes and rejuvenates for a brighter looking skin. And it's an upcycled product. This does sound nice. This sounds really nice. Vitamin C and caffeine. But if this is last year's box, and it hasn't got a seal on it either, so presumably I'm the first person to open this and get the ear in there. But it just makes me wonder if this was the October 2022 subscription, how old are these products? I know, you know, products can last for a good couple of years, can't they? But were they old to begin with? Red and Clean Skincare. This is their Ever Calm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. And there's 10 mils there. Yeah, it's great for sensitive skins. Use 3 times a week or anytime your skin is in need of an urgent rescue. Supposed to leave it on your face and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove them. Woo! Falling out my hands. There's that. And then lastly, we got a Wonder 2 Pure Pigment Pearl Powder. Okay, it's a little teeny tiny one. There, you can see that more than what I can. It's pretty, it's pretty. I don't tend to use these though, only because they're messy. But no, maybe my daughter would like that. So there you go, even though it's August 2023, here is Birchbox's October 2022 subscription. There, and the little eyeshadow there. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad box at all, or bag. And yeah, I'm happy that I got another bag. I'm just completely baffled. If any of you can shed light on this situation, that would be great. But if I hear anything, obviously I will let you know anyway. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.